Hello, once again. Here we are, just standing opposite to Montenegro Express, and it's our turn to cross the road and take ourselves on a random tour of the old city of Kotor. So join us and enjoy. And as we enter, we feel like the market is closing. Only the remains of the market are left here, which used to be a fruit market, fruit and vegetables. But I guess as we go in, there will be much more still happening. So let's make our way through. I guess we are being captured continuously, but never mind.
You ever wonder that? You know how like other people are like in your photos sometimes? You ever wonder how many photos of other people's that you're in? In the background?
Can you imagine sometime you come up in someone's photo on Instagram?
Yeah, oh my gosh, I know. I never thought about that part, but yeah.
It's me!
The big bench.
Oh my god, this is a big bench for dinosaurs family. You gonna what? Sit on it?
No, I'm going around.
Okay. You need to be really 15 feet tall to sit on this bench, guys. You need a ladder to get on top of it. Okay, dogs, with this all my shitty jokes, we are entering the old city of Kotor. There were some photographers waiting for me. I don't know why my fans are everywhere, wherever I go. Here you go. You want one? You want one bag? Here we are in a souvenir shop in Kotor. Look at the stuff. What the hell she's doing? What the hell are you doing? You are playing hide and seek. Alright guys, there is a little transformation to the random's old city tour. Now we have a little destination, which is a cafe Mon Bistro.
And we haven't walked this way.
And yeah, and this gives us the opportunity to explore the other part of this old town. So let's walk and wonder and get amazed by the beauty. Wow, look at this shop.
Like, so pretty.
Yeah. Very, very lightly. Here we are. There is a cat inside it. The Gallery of Solitary. Pima Family Palace. It's an old palace. Here we are looking at Buka Family Palace, which I guess was this one, just opposite to that one. Still very nice. Are we going in the right direction? Why you want to die? You take off this waterproof. Why are you eating it?
Huh?
Why are you wearing that jacket in the first place?
Because I don't want to carry it. So where?
Is this says if they have completed 100 years or 1000 years, no? 1116 to 2016. How many years is it, guys? 850 years, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Here we are, arrived at the cafeteria, and there is a cat. Hello, cat.
What vegan milk do you have?
Here is our iced coffee. Let's take a sip of it. Wow. Wonderful.